Okay, welcome to my second training video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a farm. Last training video, I showed you how to pick it up and format it in Excel files so you can start your cold calling. With that said, let's go to Home. We go to our familiar farm export. Okay, now we see two of them here, and I do have a 5,000 farm record limit for a day, and but usually we won't go over that amount. In this video, I'm also going to show you how it refreshes every 30 seconds for this page. So let's click on New Farm Export, and let's fix code. Let's say San Leandro 94579. And this is going to be Alameda, printout, zip code, address, and it's always going to be California, it's always going to be Alameda, it's always going to be printout, zip code, so this is basically the standard. Okay, and now we want to look for the same zip code here. I think it's San Leandro. What do I pick? 94579. And for all owner type, remember I told you earlier that absentee owner and owner occupied, the difference is absentee owner has a different mailing address than the site address, and owner occupied has both of them the same. We're just going to pick both of them, and we're going to take single family resident as well as condominiums, and we always put the maximum records here, and we click on detail filter. The reason we click on detail filter is we only want them to return all the address that has phone numbers, and the phone numbers not in part of the do not call registry. Let's take a look at the host. This two we clicked earlier, we don't care too much about the use code, we don't care too much about pool zoning, that type of things. We don't care about the transfer value, don't care about year bill, lots, square footage, that thing, and we don't care about the loan. So that's basically it, and we click finish. Okay, this is the screen I want to show you, and the computer in the background is running the query right now, and so that the status is processing. In order, every 30 seconds, screen will refresh itself, and if it is ready, then processing in the status will becomes the created date, and it will fill in the records here. And notice that the printout is not hyperlinked, and when the background process is finished, one of this many refreshes, 30-second refreshes, then we'll have the printout super hyperlink, and we can pick up the farm from there. Let me just pause it and wait till it's done. Okay, eventually you'll see a screen like this. It took me about 5 minutes to do this, and as we see, the record now shows 5/11, right? And the status is today, and the printout is hyperlinked, and we can click that, and we can see our same thing on video number 1. And we want to use the save options instead of the open options. If you just use the open options, it will Windows will save the file in a internet temporary file directory, and that directory usually cleans itself every 5 to 10 minutes. So we want that. We want to save it in a safe place, which we can we can save it and we can retrieve it later after you put your notes and stuff like that into it. So we're gonna click on save. Basically, I created a directory called farm export in the C directory. So this farm export, and instead of calling farm.csv, I change it to I forgot what the zip code is. 94. Okay. This code 94569 underscore 0830/2007 .csv. Cool. And after that, open, and we'll see the same Excel spreadsheet come up. We can do the usual thing, delete anything that's not address, not phone number, not owners. The rest we can delete, and up to BY, right? BY is the phone number. And that concludes our second training sessions.